Welcome back, future doctors. Today we are diving in some challenging NMDCAT MCQs to sharpen your biology knowledge. Let's get started. So the first MCQs is what type of immunity results from the injection of a vaccine? A. Innate immunity. B. Active artificial immunity. C. Passive natural immunity. And D. Passive artificial immunity. So the correct option is B. Active artificial immunity. The next MCQ is which of the following describe the role of the interferons? A. They produce antibodies. B. They interfere with viral replication within host cells. C. They activate T cells. And D. They engulf pathogens. So the correct option is B. They interfere with viral replication within the host cells. The next MCQ is which cells are known as antigen presenting cells? A. T cells and B cells. B. Macrophages, dendritic cells and B cells. C. Neutrophils and eosinophils. D. Mast cell and basophils. So the correct option is B. Macrophages, dendritic cells and B cells. The next MCQ is what is the primary role of helper T cells? A. Producing antibodies. B. Directly killing infected cells. C. Activating other immune cells by release. And D. Engulfing by releasing cytokines. And D. Engulfing pathogens. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is which of the following statement about immunological memory is correct? A. It is a feature of the innate immune system. B. It allows for a faster and stronger response upon re-exposure to the same antigen. C. It does not involve memory B cells. D. It is only present in the vertebrates. So the correct option is B. It allows for a faster and stronger response upon re-exposure to the same antigens. The next MCQ is what is the primary purpose of vaccination? A. To provide immediate passive immunity. B. To stimulate the production of memory cells for future protection. C. To cure existing infections. And D. To reduce inflammation. So the correct option is B. To stimulate the production of memory cells for future protection. The next MCQ is what type of immunity is acquired through the administration of antibodies from another individuals? A. Active natural immunity. B. Active artificial immunity. C. Passive natural immunity. And D. Passive artificial immunity. So the correct option is D. Passive artificial immunity. The next MCQ says, what is the role of complement proteins and the immune system? A. They produce antibodies. B. They assist in the lysis of pathogens and enhance phagocytosis. And D. They activate T cells. D. And they produce cytokines. So the correct option is B. They assist in the lysis of pathogen and enhance phagocytosis. The next MCQ is which cells are involved in the immediate hypersensitivity reaction? A. T cells. B. B cells. C. Mast cells and basophils. And D. Macrophages. So the correct option is C. Mast cells and basophils. The next MCQ is what is the main characteristic of innate immunity? A. It provides a specific response to pathogens. B. It involves the production of memory cells. C. It provides a non-specific and immediate response to pathogens. And D. It is slower to response than adaptive immunity. So the correct option is it provides a non-specific and immediate response to pathogen. C is the correct option. The next MCQ is what are antibodies composed of? A. Carbohydrate. B. Lipids. C. Proteins. D. Nucleic acid. So the correct option is C. Proteins. Protein is the correct option. The next MCQ is which immune cells are primarily involved in the Humoral immune response: A. T cells, B cells, C. Natural killer cells, and D. Macrophages. So the correct option is B cells. Thanks for joining me. I hope these NMDCAT MCQs help you sharpen your biology knowledge. Skills. Stay tuned. Keep studying and stay tuned for more practice review. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.